When the Pig Came Home, spicy beef. This was $3.89 after tax. And very, very clearly made on site. You can tell by the rough shape, discolored crust, looking good. I don't know if they put like a little egg on there before they bake it to get some coloring. Yeah. Let's break it open. Bread is really soft, kind of stretchy. Oh, damn. So there's what the meat looks like. Very juicy. You can see some of the spices. Pretty flaky too. Alright, let me try this. It was basically $4 for one of these. Same thing, the size is a little smaller than usual. Pretty unique flavor too. And a good bit of meat. $4 though, that's not too bad considering that they made it themselves. People were pretty nice too. There is a unique taste, almost like a hint of coffee or something. Very, very slight hint, but it's good. Not too spicy. It's really nice. Super crusty. Kind of buttery too. Maybe they put some extra butter on that. The area is really messed up. It's like around Dundas and Keele. Not a very, it's not, I don't know, today's pretty smooth, but not a very car-friendly place. Damn, nice truck. But for $4, I give it a 8.9. Very good. This one I think might be worth it if you're not from around here. If you are from around here, you're walking distance, definitely hit it. But also if you're not from around here like myself, it's a little bit of a mission. I think it's worth it to try it out. When the Pig Came Home. Interesting name. They had a bunch of other stuff too, really crazy sandwiches and stuff. So yeah, When the Pig Came Home, delicatessen. Worth it. 8.9, and yeah, worth the trip if you're coming from a bit of a ways away.